Guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the power of Gemini AI to boost your new YouTube channel. If you have a new YouTube channel or if you have a current existing YouTube channel which is doing well, I'm going to show you how to utilize the power of Gemini AI to skyrocket your views, to get more subscribers and to get more views to your channel. And this is simple fascinating, guys, because I've been testing it over the last couple of months, and to put this to the test, I've created a brand new YouTube channel which you can see here on my screen, and I'm going to show you that I've been getting significant amount of attraction within this channel from utilizing the power of Gemini AI. So as you can see here, I have this channel here which is doing fairly well. It's all about apps, sharing how to use various apps and how to do whatever within your phone, and it's specifically, and as you can see here, if I click on the more option here, you can see that I started this channel on the 23rd of April. So just a little over a month. As you can see, we're in the month of May here when I'm shooting this video. And if you look down to the lower right hand side of my screen, you can see that the current date is the 29th of May. So just a few days over 1 month, I have this channel. And as you can see here, I currently have over 146 subscribers. But I'm going to go into the channel and show you how it looks so that you can see the analytics, right? So all I have to do is just simply click on the uppermost right hand side on my logo there, or my profile here, and I'm going to simply click on YouTube Studio. Now, once I'm inside the YouTube studio, as you can see here, I have 146 subscribers. It might not be quite a lot, but for new YouTubers, this can be a big deal because reaching your first 100 subscribers can take you a long time. It can take you months and it can take you weeks. It depends on the niche that you're in, right? And as I said, this channel is about making tutorials. Now, if you come here to my videos, you can see that I am making videos, and there's these videos is about how to do this on an Android phone or Samsung Galaxy phone or so forth, right? So this is what I started out with, and the views are not bad, guys. If you look on some of these views, as you can see here, I have 300 views here. If I go to another video here, you can see that I have quite a lot more other views here coming in from the channel, 599 views here and so forth. If I go to my analytics as well, you can see that it is currently getting decent amount of traffic for a brand new YouTube channel. And I'm telling you guys, from day one, once I started this channel, I'm going to click out here and go to the lifetime. You can see that the channel started not so bad from the first few days. So as you can see here, on the first day I get 3 views here, and the second day I get 10 views, and it skyrocket up to 100 and something views over the next couple of days. And then from there, it's just history. You can see that the channel is growing significantly here over the last day. Some high peaks where I get over close to 1,000 views per day there with the videos. And I'm just making simple tutorials here on how to do this on the phone, releasing like 3 to 4 videos per day, and you get the idea. Now, how do I utilize the power of Gemini to do this, right? So as I mentioned, I'm doing the tutorial. So as you can see here, I'm in Gemini, and I'm going to simply go ahead and open up YouTube to show you how I come up with those ideas to make interesting thumbnails and also to make really good videos. So what I'm going to do now, before I go back into Gemini, I'm going to show you how those thumbnails look so you can get a general idea. So for example, as you can see here on these last videos, these thumbnails are currently showing some catchy text. So if I click on this one, you can see that it says, like the thumbnail say, tired of guessing. It is something fresh and unique that you want to bring to the table, right? You can see that I have some quick little statements here on each of these videos, and these are catchy and fresh for people. And I want to mention that it does not matter which niche you're in. This is just a mobile tutorial niche. You can utilize this same strategy to bring something fresh ideas to your viewers, fresh ideas to potential subscribers and clients, to get a lot of subscribers and to get a lot of views. Because currently people are looking at what people are doing within the market. And while you can do that, there are times you can use AI to your advantage to bring something fresh to the table and to dominate and to start to get a lot of eyeballs on your videos, right? So let me go back into the Gemini and show you how I do this, and also within YouTube. So let's say I go to youtube.com. So let's say I type in Samsung tutorial, and I will find some of what people are making, right? So you can find how to use this, how to do that, how to do quite a lot of different things on a particular channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and find a channel, and I will just see what kind of videos they're making, and I'm going to simply go ahead and show you how to find other videos that you can basically make the same. So there is one channel that I could potentially find. I'm going to simply use it. It's called like IT Jungle or something like that. IT Jungles, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this channel here. And as you can see, if I go to the videos here on this channel, you can see that they're using simple words how to do this with the tutorials and so forth. So let's say I would like to use this tutorial, for example, how to blur the background or parts of a picture, right? So you can click on this video, guys, and you can take this particular title. So this is what I do. If I'm going to make this particular video or remake this video, you can use the same title, but you can bring something fresh. And you can either use the same title or you can do other titles for yourself. So I'm going to show you how to use the power of Gemini to get something better and to get something much more appealing than utilizing this. And this is the strategy that I'm using. So I take this title, I head over to Gemini, right? And I simply paste the title there. I simply put before the title, write a fully optimized YouTube description for this title. And that's all I do. Now you can do this for any video as I mentioned. And once you put this in front of the video and simply hit your enter key on your keyboard, allow Gemini to do the magic, guys. Allow Gemini to do the magic. And as you can see, what Gemini does, it's going to give you some quick description of what you should do. It will also give you hashtags, and you can even get tags for your videos as well. So right here you see that it gives you a title, and there are times what it would does, it will give you like additional statements that will make it catchy. Now have a look at this. It says want to make your subject stand out, and this is something that I would use. So there are times it will put it in the first line, and there are times it will put it in the second line, but you can read it, you'll get the idea. So when I'm making thumbnails to help get more clicks, I am basically looking for these statements in the result that Gemini would give to me. So what I would do, I will use this now to put on my brand new thumbnail. So I would write on my thumbnail when I'm creating it, want to make your subject stand out, and you see the type of thumbnails that I am creating. So if you go back to my channel here, you can see that I have these different statements here within the thumbnails, and you will see that this is what I would put there as an example. So I will put this within my thumbnail to help catch people to click on those videos so that they can want to watch it. And that's how I use it. And then you can utilize this now, the title that they give to you. You can easily use this as your title. You can also go ahead and use the description that they provide to you. And you can see here, this is what I also do for these videos as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you a description. So I'm going to open up, for example, this video. And once you see the description, as you can see, I am basically utilizing and using what Gemini give to me. Now, as you can see here, I also have some hashtags here. I don't really put any tags within the videos. I normally let YouTube do its thing and find the right audience there. You don't have to, you can do it. But as you can see here, YouTube says that tags really play minimal role in helping this video reach the right viewers, right? So you don't really have to use tags if you don't have to. I don't really use it, and I just allow YouTube and the algorithm to do its thing and to find the right viewers for me. So this is how I do it, guys. And you can also use it to find a relevant keyword. So if you want to use keywords and tags for your videos, you can easily do that as well. So if you feel like you want to use it, you can use it. How do you do it? You can simply go ahead and write this. Give me a list of long and short tail keywords for the video title above. Just go ahead and write something like that and allow Gemini to do it. It will find the best keywords that you need to use in your videos. So if you're making videos that you will need to find keywords to help get more views and to get more clicks, then you can use the power of Gemini to do this. I really hope you're getting the picture what I'm saying, guys. So whichever niche that you're in, whichever category, whichever videos you're making, you can utilize the power of Gemini AI to get fully optimized description, fully optimized title, catchy keywords or statements that you can put within your thumbnails that will help you to get clicks because they know what is working, and you can find fully optimized YouTube tags for your videos that will guarantee you clicks. It is as simple as that. So I really hope you're getting the picture here. Guys, I want to take a moment and say, if you're finding value within this video, go ahead and give this video a like. I'd really appreciate that. And of course, I'd really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button to help grow this really small channel here, and so that you can come back for more when I release more videos just like this one. And on this channel, I am doing AI videos that will help to boost your productivity and of course in general teach you how to use a wide range of different AI tools. So if you're an AI fanatic like myself and you like to learn a lot about various AI tools, then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So this is what Gemini can do for you. It can do quite a lot. And if you'd like to learn more about how to use the Gemini AI, you can check out the playlist on the channel. You can find a handful of videos there that you can learn how to use Gemini. But this is how you can utilize the power of Gemini AI to get more views, get more subscribers, boost your channel, grow your channel fast, and of course to dominate a niche by utilizing the power of AI using Gemini AI.